Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Dr. Homeopathy. Today's topic, mental generals of alphabet R and S1, starting with rheum. Screaming of children with urging and sore stools. Soreness is the characteristic of rheum. Child impatient, desire many things and cries, dislike even favorite playthings. The only medicine mentioned favorite plaything is rheum. Next come to rhododendron. Nervous person dread of storm, especially an electrical storm. All complain aggravation before thunderstorm. Next come to Rostox. Fear he will die of being poisoned at night. Rostox patient a fear of death due to poison. Dreams of great exertion, rowing, swimming, working hard at his daily occupation. It is the dream of Rostox patient. Do follow to my Instagram account for interesting posts. Next come to Savadla. Illusion, part shrunken, sick, she is pregnant when merely distended from flatus. Because of his discomfortness, the Savadla patient feels she is pregnant. Feels she has horrible throat disease that will be fatal. She feels his throat disease is so severe that it will be fatal. Delirium during intermittence. Next come to Savina. Music intolerable, produce nervousness, goes through bone and marrow. Music is intolerable for Savina patient. Next come to Sambucus. Bad effects, violent mental emotion, anxiety, grief or excessive sexual indulgence. It is the mental generals of Sambucus. Next come to Sanicula. Dread of downward motion. Child headstrong, obstinate, cries and kicks. Quickly alternate with laughter. Mood swing occur in Sanicula children. Constantly changing his occupation. Only medicine mentioned in Allen Skinner. Next come to Selenium. Very forgetful in business, but during sleep, dreams of what he has forgotten. It will help him for his forgetfulness. Next come to Sepia officinalis. Anxiety with fear, flashes of heat. About real or imaginary evils towards evening. All complain aggravation during evening. Great sadness and weeping. Dread of being alone, of man, of meeting friends with uterine troubles. All complain associated with uterine troubles in case of Sepia. Indifferent to one's family, one's occupation, whom she loves best. Sepia is indifferent to the person whom she loves best. Greedy, miserly. Indolent, does not want to do anything, either work or play, exertion to think. Sepia has exertion to think. Silesia. Child obstinate, headstrong, cry when spoken kindly to. Restless, fidgety, start at least noise, but in graphitis, fidgety at work. Anxious, yielding, faint-hearted. Silesia patient is faint-hearted. Mental labor very difficult, reading and writing fatigue, cannot bear to think. Silesia cannot bear to think and Sepia exertion to think. Do subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Do like, share and comment. Thank you.